What are you doing, Carter?
What are you doing?
A snack? For who? Who's gonna eat that, Carter?
What's this for, Carter? Who are you feeding? Is it for Grandma?
Who's gonna eat that, mister?
You can get a little bit more still.
Is Grandma gonna eat it? Is Kitty?
Is this for Kitty?
He's just taking his job a little too serious. I think he can't talk.
Okay, that's good. You got some big scoops. We're all done. That's enough. That's enough for Kitty.
You ready to go walk it to her dish?
Okay, here we go. You want to take it to Kitty now? Put it in her dish? There you go.
Oh, so careful. Good job.
Hooray!
Yay! Good job.
Now should we get her pill?